Okay guys, I'm in the garage today. I'm working on a friend's automatic G20. He's having issues with it shifting. Sometimes it doesn't shift. Sometimes it feels like as if it was a manual, it pops out gear and just keeps revving. So I'm gonna start with changing the fluid. Just so everybody knows, it's 5 to 7 quarts. From what I read, if you drain it from the torque converter, if I'm correct, there's 2 quarts of oil in there. I'm just going to drain it from the bottom. We'll start from there. I'll change that. If that doesn't work, I'll move on to the next step. But the goal is to hopefully not change the transmission. Hopefully we don't got swapped up. But for starters, we'll just start with swapping the gear oil. Well, automatic transmission fluid, I should say. But pretty clean, automatic G20. He just picked it up for a good deal. It's my friend Travis. I've done videos of his car before on this YouTube channel. So he's got a turbo 200 SX SER. I'll post the videos at the end of this video. There'll be links for those. But yeah, we'll see how this goes. Hopefully I could get this back to him with no more shifting issues. Just a heads up guys, that would be the drain. Then I'm just filling it from the dipstick. So it's right there. Beside the battery, there goes the battery, right there. I've only put in 4 quarts so far. I'm going to drop it and then see where the automatic transmission dipstick shows where the level's at. Alright. Okay guys, so changing the fluid did not work, so I'm going to go on to the next step, which this is a super OG grounding kit that I've had for a very long time. Basic grounding kit, red ends, silver terminals. I remember I made someone's kit wrong and I ended up having that as an extra. It's been sitting in my garage for 2-3 years now, so I'm going to throw that on. See if that helps. I do have a lot of people that get my grounding kits and say they help their automatics shift smoother and shift faster. So who knows? I'm hoping, but I'm just going to go ahead and slap it on there and see if that'll work. And if you're interested in a grounding kit, I have much better, newer kits, upgraded wires that are sleeved, and the link will be in the description box. So I'm gonna give this one a shot now, see how much this may help.